Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we should be building the bacon wrapped hot dog, but let's see. Yep, looks like it. Awesome. So this is another one of the really simple builds from Cafe 4. I think we're literally just wrapping bacon around it and curing it. Oh, that's cute. They gave like a little boat to put it in. Also have, so it's supposed to be mayonnaise, interesting. Mayonnaise and bacon wrapped hot dog. Never had it, but it sounds like it would be interesting. They gave us 4 hot dogs, but only 2 buns, and 3 pieces of bacon, and only 1 hot dog boat. Kind of interesting. Tongs, no other accessories. I think that's it. So let's clean up and build it. Let's go ahead and open our containers. If I can get it open. There we go. That was difficult. So these are rubbery and stretchy. Very much feel like a rubber band. And then, like I said, we'll need 2 of these. Or you could just make 1 to put in here since they only gave you 1. That's probably what I'll do. Maybe I'll save the extras. Yeah, it only, oh, I didn't show you the checklist. I'll show you the checklist in just a minute. It does only show 1 on there. Alright, there's all of our stuff. And there's the hot dog. So it only shows 1, only gave us 1 hot dog boat, we'll call it. And then you have the instructions to wrap the bacon around, put it in the bun, add the mayonnaise, and cure it. So a very easy build, but let's see how easy or difficult it is to wrap the bacon. I feel like, well, first of all, they just gave you such a tiny piece. It's like, do you just stretch it and hurry up and stick it in there? But that doesn't look very good. Maybe if I wrap it the other way. I think it only shows using 1 piece of bacon, but maybe if I use my tweezers, kind of shove it in there. I figured this one would be difficult to wrap. If I tuck it down like that. I want it kind of stretched, but then again, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see once we dump the resin on it, honestly. But at least the buns are pretty snug around it. Trying to get it to go around the hot dog. There we go. No. I wish they were longer pieces of bacon. Like I said, they stretch, but then they bounce back. So let's see if I can mess with this for a minute and get it. There we go. And hurry up and shove it back down there. It's probably as good as it's gonna get. I think it would be very difficult if I tried to do 2 on there. So let's just go with this. And I'm gonna try to put the mayonnaise maybe like here and then here. That way you can still see the bacon, but hopefully everything's touching so it fuses together. That's my hope. Can't really tell from the picture if they used 1 piece of bacon or 2. Kind of looks like maybe they used 2, but again, I think that would be difficult. Oh, and that comes out really quickly. So I'm going to try to zigzag, but go around. Something like that. I'm not sure that looks cool or appetizing, but I'm going to cure it. And we'll see. Here's what it looks like. Honestly, don't think it's the best. After seeing it in person, I feel like this is definitely the least exciting from the series. The resin is a little bit too runny, more looks like icing than mayonnaise. I would have thought it would look better if it was thicker, so you can get more clear, defined lines. But yeah, I won't be making a second one because I think we can save those ingredients and use them for something better. But I have 2 questions, so answer below. First of all, have you ever had a bacon wrapped hot dog with mayonnaise? I have not, but I would definitely try it. I like mayonnaise, like bacon and hot dogs. And second of all, what do you think of this? Is this exciting? Or did I just maybe do a bad job at it and it looked cooler when you guys did it? Leave me a comment, let me know. Follow my Facebook page for Miniverse news and leaks. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.